Well, this is the second part of the video with that black bird. I said I wasn't going to intervene with it because, again, this is their home and they can allow in whoever they want as long as it's not a chipmunk or a squirrel. That little finch, perfectly fine every single day. That black bird, for some odd reason, Squawks did not like her one bit. And if you saw in the previous part of this video, I had the back coop door shut, so the blackbird flew in there and Squawks went running in there. I tried intervening, even though I said I wasn't going to. It was too late. Let's just say she pecked a little too hard and that blackbird is unalive right now. It is not in the coop. It is nowhere near the coop. I threw it in the back part of the fence, or part of the woods over there. Don't worry, you cannot see it on the video. But that's just nature. Sometimes they let some birds in and sometimes they don't. It's unfortunate, but hope everyone has a good afternoon.